combines engineering excellence with a mesmerizing video showcasing 4 years of dedication and innovation in just a couple of minutes. Feast your eyes on a homemade buggy skillfully crafted from parts of a Suzuki GSX 600F motorcycle and a rugged Suzuki Samurai off-roader, seamlessly merged to create an engineering marvel. Witness the magic of SolidWorks specialized software as it brings intricate 3D models to life, resulting in this magnificent buggy. Powered by a robust 600cc engine generating 86 horsepower, it reaches breathtaking speeds of 830 km per hour. The journey to perfection involves 15 concepts and 8 variations, with countless hours of meticulous craftsmanship. The end result is mind-blowing, leaving even experts contemplating mass production. Watch and wonder as this visionary work of art unfolds before your eyes. Discover the incredible story of a determined innovator who defied limitations. Despite over 1 million annual amputations worldwide and a disheartening prosthetic market, this tale of perseverance will inspire you. Meet a resourceful handyman on a quest for the perfect prosthetic. Unsatisfied with a sluggish and uncomfortable I-digit model, he created his own solution, a homemade prosthetic that will leave you astounded. Crafted from sturdy metal with pure mechanical mechanisms, it's a simple yet ingenious marvel. The best part? This affordable masterpiece can be easily assembled with readily available parts from Amazon. What truly sets this creation apart is the heart behind it. This resilient individual dedicated 600 hours to design and assembly. Remarkably, the entire cost was around $48,000, cheaper than the I-digit model, showcasing the triumph of innovation over adversity. Dive into the world of a verse-mounted mini crossbow. Crafted for sheer enjoyment, his ingenious creator couldn't resist sharing it with the world. The mini crossbow boasts a sleek design with a magazine for up to 5 rounds, ensuring rapid-fire action that will leave you accelerated. Safety is a priority, making it perfect for indoor training. Use pen rods for precision or safer printed ammunition for peace of mind without sacrificing fun. Excitement doesn't end there. A vibrant community sparked a brilliant idea, merging this mini crossbow with nerve ammunition. Endless possibilities and irresistible demand await. For those eager to embark on this thrilling journey, STL files are available on Thingiverse. Unleash creativity and take this adventure to new heights. Explore the enchanting world of innovation infused with artistic flair. Imagine captivating dance of light with pedals swaying gracefully on camera lenses known as iris diaphragms. Now, picture enhancing your Windows experience with this concept. Enter the realm of ingenuity, where a brilliant mind crafted a stunning 1.2-meter iris window for his front door. But the journey doesn't stop there. This discreet mastermind continues to wave magic, leaving us yearning for more glimpses of his creations. From heartwarming scenes like Home Alone to cosmetic odysseys reminiscent of Stargate, these magical windows are a director's dream. Delve into the realm of possibilities, where technology and art converge, painting cinematic dreams. Embrace the allure of the iris window, where fantasy and reality merge, casting a spell on everybody who beholds its brilliance. Introducing the incredible nifty mini tables, now available in the UK for an unbeatable price of only $192. Elevate your driving experience with these stylish and practical additions to your car. All you have to do is provide your car's make and model, and you can enjoy convenience and functionality these tables offer. Measuring 6'2" by 45 centimeters, these compact tables provide the perfect surface for any on-the-go activity. Whether you're snacking during a long road trip or hosting a camping party, these tables are your ideal companions. Customizable to your preference, you can effortlessly adjust both the clit and height settings. Installation is a breeze, requiring just a screwdriver and a 30mm wrench. In a mere 10 seconds, your car will be equipped with these handy tables, adding practicality to every journey.